welcome back to the vlog. So I just finished taking a shower because I went to my workout this morning, as you saw, and now I'm here. I'm all dolled up because I actually have to run errands. But before we go ahead and go out and about with our day, I do want to unbox a super exciting package that just arrived. When I tell you that this is truly the sign of me becoming a full-on adult, this is it. I got a new cookware set from Caraway and I am so excited. One of my New Year's resolutions this year is to learn more recipes and just cook a lot more rather than eating out every single day, just because one, it's not financially smart for me spending money every single day on food when I can honestly just go get groceries and then make a little recipe for myself. And number two, it's also healthier that way, so I know exactly what I'm putting in my body. And with that said, I just want to say thank you so much to Caraway for sponsoring today's video. I am so grateful and excited, and this honestly just feeds my motivation to literally get cooking, start cooking and learn recipes now that I have new pots and pans. So thank you so much, Caraway, for really validating and kind of pushed me to actually do my New Year's resolution on cooking a lot more. So this is the box right here, and I wish you guys can see in real life and also feel in real life how big this box is. It's quite heavy, but I love the packaging. And when you open it, the first thing you see is this little brown box with a messaging that says you're one step closer to cleaner cooking, and I love that. I love that. So in the first layer, we got the lids for all the pots and pans. Ooh. Oh my gosh, guys, I am so excited. All right, so first things first, we got the lids of the pots and pans, and I love how they also sent a little lid organizer, because right now my cabinet where all my pots and pans are, they're kind of just stacked on each other, and you know, it's not bad, but I would love to organize it more. And now that I have this, hello, I can just easily literally hang this on the back of my cabinet door and just have it hook like so. I also love how each item comes with a little messaging. This one says, "Gone are the days of misplacing all of your lids." I got it in the color sage, and I just love the color green right now, and I feel like it's a nice pop of color. And I love that it has this little hole here so the steam can actually just flow out. Hello, this is 100% functional and so organized. I love it. They also included lid holder hooks that you can basically just glue on or paste on to your cabinet. So Caraway literally thought this through. They provide everything, which I really appreciate, because I would have been yeah, let's just go ahead and drill on a nail or drill on something on my cabinet and then hook it. That might not be a great idea, honestly. So I'm glad that they included this little lid holder hook. And also, I do want to mention that I have a discount code for you. So if you click the link down below, you will get that discount off. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys the pots and pans that I got. And I got them in the color sage. And can we just talk about how beautiful she is? This is the saute pan, and then you got the little Caraway logo on the back. I do want to mention that the lids that I showed you guys, as well as the pots and pans that I'm about to show you, are all 100% non-toxic ceramics. A lot of potential for me to saute any vegetables, even cooked chicken, salmon. Honestly, the possibilities endless, and she's just so pretty. I love her, and I just can't get over the color sage right now. Up next, we got the fry pan, which is slightly smaller than the saute pan that I showed you guys, but again, you got the Caraway logo on the back. I also really love all of the colors that Caraway offers. They have a sage one, they have a beige one, they also have this little pink peachy color. Honestly, they have a ton of colors that'll complete your home. Up next, we got the Dutch oven, and it is this little pot right here, and this is great for making soups, stews, whatever, maybe anything that is soup related. You can just pop it in here and call it a day, and I just love the sleek design. Last but not least, we got the saucepan, and this is something that I would honestly cook my pasta or some type of sauce. Another thing I love about Caraway is that all of their cookware sets come with organizers at no extra cost. So the lid organizer organizer that I showed you guys, as well as the storage rack, are free. It comes with every cookware set. Speaking of organizers, if you guys get any cookware set from Caraway, they give you these little storage rack for your pans and pots. It honestly never occurred to me that I need like a little storage rack for my pots and pans, because now that I have this, my pots and pans are gonna be like out on this nice marble little area here for everyone to see, because they honestly deserve to be seen. Last but not least, we got 2 Caraway, and these are basically just cork flat little circular items that you can set your lids while you're cooking, so you're not damaging your countertop. Thank you so much, Caraway. I'm honestly blown away by this package, and I am so excited to just start organizing my little cookware set and start cooking. I love Caraway because I feel like they really thought it through. With Caraway, you're not only investing in your kitchen, but you're also investing in your health, because health is wealth. Everyone say it again, health is wealth. Once again, if you want to check out Caraway, I'll put a discount code in the description box, and I will also have a unique link for you to click so you can get the discount. I just warmed up some white rice with my salmon, and then I also have these little seaweed snacks from Costco, and I also want to try this new bitchin sauce in the flavor cilantro chili, and I also have the Trader Joe's crunch chili onion, and if I don't like any of the sauces, I have something that I can always count on, my Tabasco. Alright, so let's go ahead and build this little seaweed salmon wrap. I just have these like little mini ones. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of rice, spread it out, and then get a little bit of salmon, cilantro chili from Bitchin sauce, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take a little scoop, apply it here, and then do a little taco thing. Oh my god. Guys, you need to try this. Hi guys, what's up, and welcome back to the vlog. Happy I think it's Wednesday right now, and I just finished getting ready. I took a quick shower after the gym, and now I'm actually headed out to go to the Apple store because my laptop has been acting a little bit weird. So basically what happens is that I can't use my laptop if it's not connected to the charger, so it's basically acting like a PC where it has to be plugged in the whole time, and that is really a hassle for me because I have been traveling a lot, and I also like to work in cafes, and I'm also going to be traveling a lot more in the near future, and I need to be able to use my laptop without it plugged in. Yeah, so I made an appointment at 11, and that's what I'm about to do. Hopefully they fix it. This is the second time that my new MacBook has been acting up, and I don't know what it is. Hopefully they can fix it. Hopefully it's also not too expensive. If it's like the same amount of buying like a new laptop, then I might as well just get a new laptop than just like replace the battery if it's just gonna be the same price. But we are not putting that, you know, energy out there. I do not want to pay for a new laptop because honestly I take care of most of my gadgets, my technology, you know, my laptop cameras and stuff like that. So I just finished my appointment that actually went by quickly. I thought I'd be there longer. The battery's basically, it says consume, meaning that like the battery's basically dead. That's why it needs to be plugged in at all times for it to work. And the tech guy that was helping me was like, the battery is actually like the whole top part of the keyboard. So if they were to replace my battery, I would have to turn in my laptop for like 3 to 5 days, and they change this whole part right here. So yeah, they would have to change my whole keyboard because that's basically like the whole upper part, and it would cost like $375. That is a lot for me to splurge in the moment. And he also asked if I backed up my computer, and honestly I need to do better at backing up my computer, but to be quite honest, I don't really have any important things on my laptop. If anything, they are all saved in a hard drive and I just connect it. So that's what's going on. And then he also mentioned that the slots on the side is kind of loose. So like right here, the 2 USB-C slots, or like the 4 USB-C slots, and he was kind of like saying like these 4 are kind of loose, but they're not a big problem. Honestly, like if it's still working, then don't get it, but if you do want to get that changed, then we have the option for you. And then he like made me compare the charger slots on the other computers, and I can definitely see the difference. But I really needed to like think it over, because obviously like $370 is not, it's not a cheap price, and I wasn't also prepared for that. So I'm gonna go home and think it over. Maybe, maybe not. And then I was like asking my friends about it, and they were like, honestly, just get a new laptop.